Imagine a world where machines decide the fate of humanity. No, this isn't a scene from a blockbuster movie. It's a chilling reality unfolding right now. In the shadows of rapid technological advancement, a global superpower is pouring billions into creating autonomous weapons, literally building Terminators and killer robots in real time. We're standing on the brink of a new era of warfare, where the most terrifying weapons are not piloted by humans, but by algorithms. For decades, the concept of a Terminator was confined to the silver screen, a terrifying vision of a future where artificial intelligence turned on its creators. But what if I told you that in classified labs and advanced research facilities across China, engineers are working relentlessly to bridge the gap between science fiction and a very near future? We're talking about sophisticated AI-driven machines capable of making life or death decisions without human intervention. This isn't just about drones, it's about intelligent systems that learn, adapt, and potentially dominate. Their code is being written in real time, and with every line, the future of warfare is changing forever. The line between man and machine is blurring, and the potential consequences are terrifying. The Chinese government's Made in China 2025 initiative isn't just about economic dominance, it's a clear roadmap for technological supremacy, with AI and robotics at its core. Beijing has openly declared its ambition to become the world leader in AI by 2030, and a significant portion of this investment is flowing into military applications. We're witnessing an unprecedented national effort, backed by seemingly limitless resources, pushing the boundaries of what's possible in autonomous warfare. The goal isn't just parity, it's absolute, unchallengeable technological superiority on the battlefield. This isn't just a military arms race, it's a race for the future of global power. Every day brings a new advancement, a new prototype, and a new step closer to a fully autonomous military. Early prototypes are already emerging, hinting at the terrifying capabilities to come. Picture this: swarms of intelligent drones, coordinating attacks without a human pilot, ground-based robotic units, navigating complex terrain, identifying targets, and engaging with lethal precision. These aren't clunky remote-controlled toys. They are increasingly autonomous entities, learning from every mission, evolving their tactics, and becoming more efficient killers. The sheer speed of their development is outpacing ethical and legal frameworks, creating a dangerous void. These machines are being trained on vast amounts of data, making them faster and more precise than any human soldier could ever hope to be. The quiet hum of a lab fan could be the sound of a new, horrifying form of warfare being born. Historical context shows us that every major technological leap in warfare reshapes global power dynamics. From gunpowder to nuclear weapons, new technologies have always spurred arms races. We are now at the precipice of another such shift. China's aggressive pursuit of AI and weaponry could ignite a new Cold War, one fought not with ideologies, but with algorithms and robotic legions. Other nations, understandably alarmed, are already scrambling to catch up, fearing a future where they are outmatched by automated adversaries. The world is watching, and the clock is ticking. The competition to develop the next generation of weapons is intense, and the stakes couldn't be higher. One of the most concerning aspects is the concept of ethical AI in warfare. Who is accountable when an autonomous weapon system makes a mistake, or worse, commits a war crime? The very nature of these machines, designed to operate without human input, blurs the lines of responsibility. China's vision for AI in defense often prioritizes efficiency and victory above all else, raising profound questions about the value of human life when a machine is pulling the trigger. The cold, logical decision-making of an AI could lead to a disregard for civilian casualties that would be unthinkable for a human. We are creating a problem for which there is no legal precedent, and the world is not prepared. Reports from reputable intelligence agencies and academic institutions frequently highlight China's dual-use technology strategy. Innovations in civilian AI, facial recognition, and data processing, while seemingly innocuous, can be seamlessly integrated into military applications. This makes it incredibly difficult to track the true scope of their killer robot development. What starts as a logistics drone today could be equipped with weaponized AI AI tomorrow, under the guise of national security. This blurring of lines means that advancements in consumer technology could be quietly fueling the development of the next generation of autonomous weapons. The implications for international stability are staggering. Imagine a future where conflicts are no longer fought by soldiers, but by machines that feel no pain, fear no death, and execute orders with cold, calculated efficiency. Would this make wars less frequent or more common, as the human cost of conflict seemingly diminishes? The psychological impact on human combatants facing an unfeeling, relentless robotic enemy is a terrifying prospect that we are only beginning to grapple with. The rules of engagement could become obsolete, and the battlefield could be transformed into a sterile, merciless killing ground. Beyond the battlefield, the societal impact of such advanced AI weaponry cannot be overstated. If these technologies fall into the wrong hands, or if their control systems are compromised, the consequences could be catastrophic. The line between protecting a nation and creating tools of global oppression becomes dangerously thin when autonomous killing machines are involved. The very fabric of peace could unravel in the face of such destructive potential. We are building a Pandora's box, and we may not be able to put the lid back on. The dangers of a world filled with autonomous weapons are not just theoretical, they are a clear and present threat. Yet, some argue that these developments are inevitable, a natural progression of military technology. They claim that autonomous systems could reduce human casualties on their own side, make more precise strikes, and eliminate human error. However, this optimistic view often overlooks the inherent unpredictability of advanced AI and the potential for unintended consequences. The very scenarios science fiction writers have warned us about for generations. Is efficiency worth the existential risk? The promise of a safer military might be a mirage, hiding a future of unforeseen chaos and destruction. So, what can be done? International treaties, arms control agreements, and global ethical frameworks are desperately needed. But with China's rapid advancements and a clear refusal to slow down, the window for meaningful regulation is closing fast. The world watches, with a mixture of awe and trepidation, as the blueprints for a robotic future are etched in silicon and steel, with potentially irreversible consequences for humanity. The chilling reality is that the future of warfare is no longer a distant fantasy. China's relentless pursuit of autonomous weapon systems forces us to confront uncomfortable questions about humanity's role in a world increasingly dominated by machines. Are we truly ready for the rise of the Terminators? Or are we unwittingly forging the very chains that will bind our future? The answer to these questions will define the 21st century. Tell us what you think in the comments below. Are killer robots an inevitable step or a line we should never cross?